I feel like my whole life is a big kiss to them.
Yes.
Do you know what I'm saying?
I do.
I just want to bow down to every nick and scrape and trauma and whip and chain and say, just, you have no idea how much I love you for taking the pain for me.
Value of personal estate, $100. Wow.
This is 5 years after the end of the Civil War.
Look what they did. Look at what they achieved. Sorry, that's what I think. Good for them.
Good for them.
Look where they started, look where they ended up.
That's the root of your tree.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
You're looking at the moment that your family became free.
No way. No way. Oh my God. Tingling right now.
Holy. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing?
Wow.
They built a family, they built a business, and as you can read, they built a community.
This is really one of the best things I've ever seen. One of the best things I've ever seen in my life.
It's a painful process, but it's also joyful. And so a part of the tears is joy that they were here and that whatever they went through, they withstood it.
Yeah.
They lived through it.
Yeah.
And they lived through it long enough to get to me.
Yeah. They endured.
They endured.
Yeah.
It's
So that you could thrive.
And this will mean so much to my mother as well. You know, my mother, who's 91, who's lived through so much raising 5 children alone. All of them college educated because she comes from this.
Yeah.
It explains her in a way that I never could.
It's just like you get so used to not knowing for so long. It's a joy to know that like it's real.
This is one of the best things I've ever done in my life. And it is something about knowing. Even with the hard parts, there's an add value to the knowing.
Honestly, it gives me a stronger pride in what it means to be Black in this country. And also how, as a large Black family that we all are in, how much endurance and that we've made to make this much progress. So it makes me even more proud to be Black.
To see more incredible family history stories, click here. And thank you for watching.